Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a mirror from 1aauto.com. We're going to be installing it on this 2014 Nissan Versa. The advantage of this mirror, it's a direct fit replacement. It's going to be cheaper and it's going to function exactly like OEM. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. We're going to take this door panel trim off. This goes over the mirror. Just use a trim tool. Pry underneath here, over here, it comes off. There's a clip that holds it on there, clip that holds it on there, and a little pin. We're gonna use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. We're gonna take these nuts off. This nut's a little bit tricky to get to, but it is possible to do it without taking the whole door panel off. Take this one off first. Be careful not to drop the nut. Pull the nut out. Take this nut off. Before I pull the last nut out, we have to remove this section where the adjuster is. Underneath here, there's a little tab. Push up on the tab, and then this will rotate. That's the little button. Remove this rubber piece right here, and this will slide off just like that. Now when we take this last nut out, we're going to support the mirror from the outside. Pull that nut off. We're going to pull the mirror straight out. This is our old mirror. This is our new mirror from 1aauto.com. The shapes are the same. The new mirror comes with this cover off so that if you had one that was painted, you could transfer it from your old mirror to your new mirror, or you could paint this and then install it. The controls are the same. The mounting studs are the same. You're going to want to take these things off. These are just protectors to protect the studs during shipping. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. To install this mirror cap, I'm just going to line this up with the holes in the mirror. Line it up and just lock it in place. All right, now we're going to install the mirror. We're going to make sure we line these studs up with the holes in the door. Slide this adjuster through the big hole. Line those studs up. Make sure you have the nut in your hand when you go to install the mirror so you can put it on right away. Then you can release your hands from the mirror. We're going to slide this in. There is a slot for the adjuster. It goes in the top part of this bracket. It's going to slide through like that. And then this bracket, this top part's going to slide in here, and then it's going to click into place, just like that. We can take these other nuts and get them started. And we'll take our 10mm with the extension and our ratchet, and we'll just snug it up. Not too tight, just snug. And those are pretty good. Take this rubber piece, slide this over here. You can make sure it works up and down, left and right. It's working properly. Take our cover, slide it over, line it up with the holes, and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.